everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a Pastel Crocodile Gel X nail tutorial. So if you're new to my channel, let's tell you to subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so these are Gel X nails, you guys. I found these square full tip nails on Amazon, and I think they're from BT Art Box, and I decided to order them. And y'all, they look so good. So right now I already prepped my nails. I'm just using the Mia Secret Bond primer and the Mia Secret dehydrator. And yeah, so my nails look very crusty. I did not bring my nail drill because I was in Georgia, so I didn't get to bring my nail drill. But yeah, I did these when I was out of town. So right here I'm just using the Beetles nail glue from the Beetles kit that I bought off of Amazon. Everything will be in my Amazon storefront, and I'm just applying all the nails. Okay, you guys, so previously I tried to mix clear and white gel polish to make a milky white because that's the look I was going for. Also, by the way, these nails are inspired by des.did that on Instagram, so I just want to give her credit. But the white and clear wasn't working for me, so I just used this Yayiwye jelly gel polish that I did show in one of my previous acrylic nail swatch view. Why I say acrylic, but gel polish swatch reviews that I did. And this honestly has like a pink undertone more than a milky white undertone. You probably can't tell, but this was like more of a pinkish nude, a very light pink, but it still worked out because it honestly just looks milky white. So I applied 2 coats because, like I said, this is a jelly top coat, like it's jelly gel polish, so it's very see-through. So I did apply 2 coats. Okay, you guys, so I cured that. Now I'm using the Mia Secret Blooming Gel. I got this off Amazon, and I'm using this Beetles Easter gel polish kit. All these are like very Eastery colors, you know. I did these on Easter, by the way. So that was just one nail I did off camera to make sure that I was knowing what I was doing, because I was doing this on my first try, so I didn't really know what I was doing. So I had to do a practice nail, you know what I'm saying? So I'm applying the blooming gel. I think I had to wipe this one off because it did not come out how I wanted it to. But y'all not gonna see that because I cut that out, child. So it's actually really hard trying to apply the dots on the blooming gel. But basically how you get that crocodile effect is you don't cure the blooming gel. You just put the acrylic dots on top of it and then you cure it. But you have to work really fast because y'all, this stuff spreads super quickly and then it just makes the design look less appealing, you know what I'm saying? So you have to work very fast. And this nail I wasn't too proud of, but I'm just going to be doing this on all of the nails, so I'm gonna just sit back and let y'all watch the video. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be applying the top coat, which is the IBD gel that I got from Sally's a long time ago, child. I really like how this gel works. I don't know why I stopped using it, but I'm just applying a top coat. And y'all, I did apply these like little decorations. You don't have to do this. I applied them because that's where the design kind of ruined a little bit, and I wanted to cover that up. Some of them I didn't apply because some of the nails looked real good, but I think I applied it on all the nails except 2 on each hand. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to cure that. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying the cuticle oil. I got this from off of Shein, and this was included in my Shein nail haul that's on my channel. You can go check it out. And I'm just applying this to my cuticles, going to rub it in real good. And that's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this nail tutorial. Like, y'all, these nails are so good. They look like acrylic nails, but they're Gel X press-ons. Like, I don't know if I'm going back to acrylic. These are honestly so much easier and so much faster. Anybody can do these at home. Very inexpensive. The kit was like $20 on Amazon. Of course, I ordered these nail tips from another vendor, but still, like, look at the material. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. My Amazon storefront is in the comments. Not the comments, but the description box. So if you want to buy everything that I use, it's in the description box. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see, and I will see you in my next video.
on you, but I won't pay. The tide's rolling in, but you jumping way.